What's up, everyone? It's Hannah and Richard from Wild and Growing.
So right now we're about to hike one of the hiking trails on the east side of the island. It's the Moalepe Trail. So this trail actually joins up with the Kuliau Trail, which we did a video last year of us hiking with our friend Paul. This is not a super tough hike. Goes on for a while. If you hike from where we are at the Moalepe parking lot all the way to the Kuliau parking lot, it's going to be about 4 miles, that full traverse. Goes over a ridge. But we're going to check it out. Come along, enjoy.
Yeah, let's go.
For most of the hike, you travel on a dirt path that intersects a cow farm. It's important to watch your step as cow pies litter the path. Mimosa Pudica, or also commonly called sensitive plants, can be found here. The leaflets close up when touched. These plants can be found growing all over Hawaii. Songbirds perch on the luhe ferns that line the road and create a beautiful melody as you hike. The wide, red dirt trail is gradual and fairly easy at the beginning. While hiking through farmland, there are magnificent views of the Makaleha Mountain Range.
So we're a little over a mile into the hike. Right around the first mile or so, it was kind of through a lot of pastures. It was pretty wide. You'd be able to take like a Jeep up the whole first mile or so of the trail. Barbed wire on either side. But ever since then, the last couple hundred yards, it's been much more of a traditional hiking trail, more in the woods. And amazing views of Makaleha, the mountain range just to the north of us. How are you doing, Hannah?
Oh, I'm good. This trail is like the perfect incline. It's not steep. It's like I can walk fast on it, but we're still going up. It's a pretty good trail so far.
It's a great place to trail run too, because it's, very gradual incline the entire way. So we've been going steadily up, but never too steep. Yeah, looking forward to the rest of it.
We were amazed at the large trees whose branches served as a mini ecosystem for ferns and other organisms living on it.
So we just passed the 2-mile marker. The trail's gotten a lot more kind of jungly, I guess I would say. Definitely more muddy, more of a wilderness feel.
It's gotten a little steeper too.
A little steeper and more beautiful as well, I would say.
Yeah.
Lots of really beautiful albizia trees, tons of aluhe fern. Seen some banana trees and other cool stuff like that as well.
Yeah, it's a good hike.
Yeah, really enjoying it.
As we ventured further, the land began to change from farmland to jungle. We heard more forest songbirds such as the non-native Japanese bush warbler, which has a unique call. The ecosystem here is full of diverse plant life that you would not usually get to see, which is why hiking while visiting Hawaii is a must.
So we've made it to the end of this trail, but just further on, like you said, half a mile.
Yeah, half a mile.
There's a really awesome lookout point, so we're gonna hike to that and see some awesome views.
Yeah. This bridge right here is the official end of the Moalepe Trail, but we're feeling good, so why not keep going?
Yeah.
So Hannah just found some Isenberg berries right behind us. They look similar to raspberries and they taste kind of like them, but less sweet and more tart.
Cool.
at the Kuliau overlook. It was about half mile after the end of the Moalepe Trail. There's a really nice view right here. There's a picnic table. The view is of Mount Waialeale behind us, the extinct volcano. We can't see most of the mountain today because it's hidden in clouds, but that's pretty common because it rains over 350 days a year on top of Mount Waialeale. Down here on this ridgeline though, we've had a beautiful day. It's been an awesome hike, and really glad we got out here and had the time to do it.
Yeah, so if you liked this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more epic adventures. Until next time, see ya.